Hey guys, you are welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So guys, today's video I will show you how to make skin whitening and anti-aging cream at home. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like this video. So guys, to prepare this remedy, we need rice. Rice is used as natural beauty treatment. So guys, I'm going to use 3 spoons of rice. So the first thing is to wash the rice. You can make use of any type of rice you have. So this is my washed rice. So after washing, boil a cup of water. Then add your rice to the water. Then cook for 20 minutes. Then you put it in a blender and blend it. Then go ahead and sieve it. I add a little water in a blender to lace because I still have some left over in the blender. That's why I add a little water so that I will lace it. Yes. Rice cream is very effective in whitening the skin, remove blackheads, smooth skin, and fight premature wrinkles. So we got the cream. So I'm going to add 2 spoons of milk powder. So the next thing is to mix it. Sorry, I want to change this spoon. Let me use smaller spoon to turn or to mix it. You add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. We also need vitamin E capsule. So I'm going to vitamin E capsule. I'm going to add 1 capsule of vitamin E. This is has 4 here. So you mix. Antibiotic or solution. Yes. So guys, we got rice cream. So the next thing is to transfer it in a container. So guys, this is how to apply it. You apply it on your skin and leave it for 20 minutes. Then you wash it off with warm water. You can store this cream in a fridge and you can apply it twice in a week. You will get a clear and white complexion. You will also get a glowing skin. You can also use this cream to whiten dark areas of your body. So guys, that is end of today's video. Please like this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys in my next video.